Hey you guys, what is up? What is up? What's up? Anyway guys, I'm back home. I'm home today. Forever, probably. Anyway, so I'm about to clean my room because it's looking really messy. So yesterday when I came here, right? Girl, I was looking at my vision board, right? And let me tell you. I was looking at my vision board and I haven't accomplished shit on this. Not one shit. My 2022 vision board. I'm hurt. But baby, because I had it like high down, I was not looking at it, and so I decided to take it out from where I was hiding and put it up on display where I can see it every day. Because 2020 is not over, girl. It's not over. Anyways, I also want to share a quick message. Also start a new vlog. Did I say that? I don't know. I have pregnancy brains. So girl, listen to me. I don't know who needs to have this. I don't know who needs to have this, but listen to me and listen to me good, okay? Sometimes it be your own baby daddy. Sometimes it be your own man, your own girlfriend, your best friend, whatever. You can find in somebody, you let them in, you tell them your worst fears, and they use that shit against you. I'm telling you, they would use that shit against you. You would think that this person would have your back and have, you know, your best interests. It be those ones. I'm telling you, be careful. I'm telling you, be careful. It be those mother. And they will prey on your weaknesses. They will prey on your weakness. And you know a person don't care for you when you done been hospitalized for a certain situation, you know, that almost take you out, and they use that against you, and you felt like you was close to that door, and you can find that person, and they use that shit against you. Listen to me, it be those people that be close to you. It be close to you. Listen to me, it be your own man. Your own man don't want to see you elevate. Don't want to see you do good. Want to see you still bumming. Want to see you not doing better than them. I'm telling you, watch out for them. Watch out. Anyways, guys, that's just a quick message. I don't know when it's at, but girl, take it in. Take it in. I'm gonna clean my room because it's looking really mess. And let me tell you something, baby. One thing about home. In this room, you can sweat. You're gonna sweat, baby. Girl, the sun is directly under my, like, on my window, and it's hot. Look at my bed. I'm gonna put some clean sheet on my bed. More, yeah, you get the gist. Girl, I'm tired. Okay, the fan is on blast, so I know it's gonna be loud as shit. Anyways, I'm all I'm almost done. The only thing I have to do is mop my floor, and yeah, that's about it. I'm tired. I know sometimes it'd be like, okay, you don't even sleep in your room. Why you want to clean it? Because every time I come here, I come for clothes and stuff to carry back where I lay my head at night, and I would make a mess in my room like tornado. Dig in, look up at stuff, you know. So every time I come back home to a big mess. Anyways, y'all, I'm out. I'll catch you guys later on today or tomorrow. Oh gosh, good morning. Anyways, guys, so God, I'm about to head by my cousin. It's the next day. I'm about to head by my cousin. I have to do some washing by her because the water here is down. Like the water here is so we're gonna get a honey dandy bucket because we're gonna take it back. I'm trying to save some coins. I'm not going to the laundromat, so I'm gonna take a few pieces by her and wash it out. Let me see what I want to take by her to wash out. Yeah. And you guys, like, I stopped using like softeners, you know, like Downies and stuff like that, and like in my underclothes, you know, because lately, I don't know if because of the pregnancy or what, but lately, girl down there just been acting the fool, you know. They give me some, oh fuck me, all the time so long in the basket. Oh God, please. Why me? Anyways, fuck it. Like I said, the last time I went to the clinic, they gave me something to help with that, and in 2 weeks the problem is right back again. So girl, I don't know. Anyways, let me deal with these clothes real quick. So before I leave, I'm just gonna make up my bed real quick. Just sweep a little bit because I want to have some place clean when I come back. So listen, my cousin, she never came. Okay, she ducked my ass today. But it was okay because yeah, I don't care. It's like after 4 or something. Yeah, it's after 4 going up at 5 o'clock. I texted this girl from this morning. Had my bag already packed and shit. But anyways, so I'm missing string, but something is so too heavy and it hurt my stomach, so I won't do that again. And I just Google like what are the symptoms, you know, like when you lift heavy stuff, not the symptoms but what can happen, you know. And I know definitely premature. Okay, we don't need this baby to come. No damn soon. No sir, no ma'am. You stay in there and finish develop. Okay, I didn't have a choice, you know, because it wasn't nobody to lift it for me, so I had to lift it myself. That's what you gotta do. Anyways, y'all, I'm just gonna chill, find me a good movie to watch and relax. So yeah.